कि सारी फाइल जो है वो पहले चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस में जाती हैं, उसके बाद ही आगे निकलेंगी, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। यही लोग थे जो आज की तारीख में उद्धव ठाकरे जी के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं। और जैसे ही उद्धव ठाकरे जी की सरकार बनी तो सबसे पहला काम उन्होंने यह किया, ही डिड द अनथिंकेबल, absolutely the unthinkable, right from the time of Mr. Sharad Pawar as chief minister, right up to the time of Mr. Prithviraj Chauhan. The urban development ministry has always been with the chief minister of Maharashtra. उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने सबसे पहला काम किया, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री निकाल करके एकनाथ शिंदे जी को दे दी कि आप जो हैं सबसे वरिष्ठ हैं शिवसेना में, ये आप संभालिए। The very fact that he was made urban development minister very clearly showed that within the Sena he was number 2 after Uddhav Thackeray. Now, अंदरूनी बात क्या है? क्या आदित्य ठाकरे जी बहुत ज्यादा इंटरफियर करते थे? क्या उनके मित्रों का बहुत ज्यादा हस्तक्षेप था? क्या आदरणीय सम्माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे जी को काम नहीं करने दिया? क्या उनको बेइज्जत किया गया? क्या उनके सम्मान के साथ खिलवाड़ किया गया? क्या यहां पर अनिल परब जी का भी कोई रोल था? क्या यहां पर बाकी सब लोगों का भी रोल था? बाय द वे, वेयर इज मिस्टर अनिल परब? मतलब वो मुझे समझिए, अनिल परब जी जो राइट हैंड मैन उद्धव ठाकरे जी के, वो इस पूरे क्राइसिस के दौरान कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहे और ना ही कोई मतलब उनकी आवाज आ रही है। आज तो उनको अपने मुख्यमंत्री के पक्ष में बिल्कुल सामने ढाल की तरह खड़े हो जाना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। दूसरी चीज प्रदीप जी, एंड देयर रियली इजंट वेरी मच टू टॉक बिकॉज वी कैन ओनली स्पेक्युलेट राइट नाउ एज टू व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन। पहली बार देखा कि शिवसेना ने थोड़ा आक्रामक रूप अपनाया, किसी के ऑफिस के बाहर जरा तोड़फोड़ कर दी, कुछ पोस्टर वोस्टर कुछ तोड़फोड़ कर दिए, लेकिन यह शिवसेना का तरीका नहीं है। आपको याद होगा शरद पवार जी मुख्यमंत्री थे, छगन भुजबल जी जब अपने 17 लोगों को लेकर के चले गए थे कांग्रेस में, उस वक्त छगन भुजबल जी के घर पर हमला हुआ था। नारायण राणे जी जब छोड़ के गए तब विलासराव देशमुख जी मुख्यमंत्री हुआ करते थे, विलासराव देशमुख ही थे शायद। उस वक्त भी शिवसेना काफी उत्तेजित हो गई थी। आज की तारीख में मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूं प्रदीप जी, उद्धव ठाकरे जी यानी शिवसेना की सरकार है और शिवसेना इतनी शांति से पेश आ रही है, शिवसेना इतने संयम से पेश आ रही है, शिवसेना जरा भी उत्तेजित नहीं हो रही, शिवसैनिक जो हैं वो जरा भी आक्रामक नहीं हो रहे। मेरे लिए जरा यह अचंभे की बात है, यह शिवसेना नहीं है।
बिल्कुल सर। एंड जिस प्रकार से फर्स्ट टाइम उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने आज बीजेपी को रिस्पॉन्सिबल किया, ही वाज स्लोली इग्नाइटिंग द पैशंस ऑफ शिवसैनिक्स, सेइंग दैट बीजेपी ने ये काम किया और आप लोग अभी तक शांत बैठे हो, आप लोग हमारे लोग अब तक शिवसैनिक जो है वो शांत बैठे। नाउ ही स्लोली मूविंग द टाइड टुवर्ड्स बीजेपी। ना मोस्ट ऑफ द शिवसैनिक्स यही तकलीफ है कि दोनों जगह हमारे ही लोग हैं। Eknath Shinde be also is a revered person within the BJP, within the Shiv Sena, as well as Uddhav Thackeray. Of course, he's in charge, the president of the Shiv Sena. But all these leaders were leaders in their own right. All were honorable men. All were solidly with Shiv Sena. All was, including, as you say, all the Kesarkar, Bhaskar Jadhav, yes, Eknath Shinde. They all swear. They all swear by the Sena. And the main thing is now, as Sanjay Raut says, now we are going to take them in the house and on the streets. Now, on the streets.
Should he be taken seriously? I mean, I don't know.
No, but the aggression was not there.
It wasn't there.
It wasn't there earlier. He said, हम रुकने को तैयार है, हम MVA से निकलने के लिए तैयार है, MVA से अगर आप लोग आके बात करेंगे, हम MVA से हटने के लिए तैयार है. And that was what do you call a kind of thing that nobody liked it. Nobody liked it because how can you one person take a unilateral decision that we will move out of the, even saying that thing. Usually Sharad Pawar or Congress, they are very measured while talking about the alliance. They will always say, we will discuss among the alliance partners. We will discuss among the top three. Even when you talk about Ajit Pawar, he will say, Sonia Gandhi ji se baat karenge, Sharad Pawar se baat karenge, Uddhav ji se baat karenge. Nobody would give this kind of a rash statement that yes, we will move out of the MVA. Now this was something he did, probably he's taken an about turn from there and he's talked about aggression. Now the whole thing boils down that if the rebel groups today pass a resolution saying that we want to file a no confidence motion against the chief minister. Now that again you said Sharad Pawar says, and the most important thing is Jayant Patil. He says, when the questions asked about him, about Eknath Shinde, he says Eknath Shinde is still a part of the cabinet.
So how can he pass a no confidence resolution against his own government?
He says they were only chanting Eknath Shinde Zindabad or Eknath Shinde. He said, but Eknath Shinde, so what? Eknath Shinde is a part of a cabinet. He's still a minister, and he has not given
He's not
resigned from the post, or he's not. The entire group has not shown no confidence against this particular thing, nor have they written a letter to that effect. So he says that's all part of the cabinet.
But Pradeepji, over here,
Yes.
There's a very, very, very important legal point that Jayant Patil made.
Yes.
एकनाथ शिंदे जी आज भी मंत्री हैं,
बिल्कुल.
इसके अलावा 4 और मंत्री हैं उनके साथ,
बिल्कुल.
जो एमएलए हैं.
Exactly.
अब ये लोग अपनी ही सरकार के खिलाफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन की डिमांड कैसे कर सकते हैं? सबसे पहले इनको इस्तीफा देना पड़ेगा. जहां तक के as far as I know, the legal position is very clear. Mr. Eknath Shinde cannot ask for a no confidence motion against his own cabinet. That is against his own government.
No, first he will tell that I am the original Sena and I withdraw support from the MVA. That is what
he will have to resign from the government.
But he says if I am the original Sena, and see that's a point. If he's become the original Sena, he's got 2/3 of the people, so he becomes the party. He is the Shiv Sena. So they are trying to operate through the governor. So they give the Shiv Sena as backing out of this alliance, and then the governor decides. So this is all.
No, but the governor, what can the governor do, Pradeep ji?
No,
maximum,
if the Shiv Sena withdraws from the alliance.
No, hang on a minute.
Yes.
What can the governor do?
Governor
maximum can call for the assembly, call for an emergency session of the assembly for a floor test.
Bilkul.
That's it. Now, the deputy speaker will have to decide whether or not this resolution holds, because a minister in the government cannot sponsor a resolution against his own government.
Yes, but he says, I am not the minister alone. I am the party.
I am the party. So first resign as a minister.
No, I am the Shiv Sena. I am the Shiv Sena. So Shiv Sena gives a letter to the governor that we withdraw support from the MVA.
We withdraw support
from the alliance.
We withdraw support from Mr. Adv Thackeray, from the chief minister.
We withdraw support from the MVA. Uddhav Thackeray ji had given a letter of acceptance that we give support to this MVA, the Mahavikas Aghadi. Now this Shiv Sena gives a letter to the governor that we have withdrawn support.
Fine. So how is he still a member of the cabinet? He can't be a member of the cabinet, and that's what I think. He can't be a member of the cabinet and still propose such a resolution or still propose a no confidence.
That is the most interesting thing. So when he says, I'm the original Sena,
yes,
and we are withdrawing support to MVA government.
Correct.
And what does the governor do then? The governor will ask for the next, without the floor test, can he ask Fadnavis? If Fadnavis are the same, and they give a letter to Mr. Fadnavis that we support this, Shiv Sena today is supporting BJP to form the government.
He can't.
And they give a letter.
The Supreme Court is very clear. Supreme Court is very clear. The floor test is the only test. That's it.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. A lot of combinations, because the governor is a BJP man, the speaker is the MVA man. Yes.
Speaker Saab
yes.
is not there anymore.
Yes. So you got the house with the MVA, and you got the governor with the BJP.
But it is the speaker
who will decide,
who is the lord and master of the Vidhan Sabha.
But the question is, if the Shiv Sena party, the major party, which has more MLAs, the most MLAs, they withdraw support to the government, does it fall on its own, or again there's a floor test?
No, even if they withdraw support, they will have to prove it in a...
They withdraw support, and Mr. Fadnavis, and they give a letter supporting Fadnavis is 106, and Fadnavis goes with the...
it doesn't work that way. The Supreme Court is very clear. There is a Supreme Court judgment to that effect. In fact, there are 3 Supreme Court judgments to that effect. That a floor test is the only test to prove confidence or no confidence. It cannot be just on the basis of letters. There has to be a floor test. Yes. Now, when the floor test takes place, the first objection that will come from the Deputy Speaker is, why has Mr. Eknath Shinde not resigned? Now, my point is this, Pradeep ji. अगर एकनाथ शिंदे जी वास्तविकता में सीरियस हैं, अगर मान लीजिए बिल्कुल सीरियस हैं इस मैटर में, तो कल तक उनका इस्तीफा आ जाएगा और बाकी सब मेंबर्स जो कैबिनेट के मिनिस्टर हैं इस वक्त, काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स के जो मिनिस्टर हैं इस वक्त शिवसेना के, उन सबका इस्तीफा आ जाना चाहिए उद्धव ठाकरे जी को कि भाई आप में हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, वी कैन नॉट सर्व विद यू, देन वी आर इन फॉर अ सीरियस मैच.
Anyway, we are in for a big battle anyway. It's either getting in through the governor or pushing this off through the house.
Sir, the governor will have a huge role to play, but the final role will be that of the deputy speaker. And if all the Shiv Sena members who are right now with Eknath Shinde do not break even after they come to Mumbai, then that's it. लेकिन यहां पर उम्मीद जो है उद्धव ठाकरे जी की और बाकी शिव सैनिकों की और शरद पवार जी की, वो ये है कि जैसे ही ये लोग मुंबई आएंगे उसमें से आधे से ज्यादा फिर वापस आ जाएंगे शिवसेना में, क्योंकि जो इमोशनल अपील है ठाकरे परिवार की उसको आप राइट ऑफ नहीं कर सकते. So we are in for very, very interesting times, Pradeep ji. I think this is not going to be over soon. I think it's going to...
Over the few years, Maharashtra been the epicenter of
everything.
Of changes in law.
Yes.
You know, moving the horizons of even the jurisprudence, even the legal, everything connected with governance, legal, everything we've seen, various ways. We found that Sushant Singh Rajput case being filed somewhere else.
and being taken up somewhere else.
And CBI
Yes.
inquiry from somewhere.
And the commissioner of police over here saying, yaar, where is the locus? In any event, as far as the assembly is concerned or parliament is concerned, the law is very clear. There's only one test, which is the floor test. They will have to face a floor test. That is, Uddhav Thackeray ji's government will have to face a floor test. और floor test में अगर उद्धव ठाकरे जी जीतते हैं, सरकार रहती है, और अगर हारते हैं तो एक बार फिर पुनः तीसरी मर्तबा आदरणीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, हमारे बड़े अच्छे मित्र, एक बार फिर मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे और इस बार 2.5 साल तक मुख्यमंत्री तो रहेंगे ही. उसके बाद क्या होता है वो तो चुनाव में तय होगा. लेकिन ये जरूर है कि शिवसेना में अभी जो हो रहा है वो मेरे लिए व्यक्तिगत तौर पे और प्रदीप जी के लिए भी, ऊपर से चाहे हम हंस रहे हों, काफी दुखद है. किसी भी पार्टी में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा मैं मान करके चलता हूं. That's it. That's all we've got for you in tonight's show on Nation Now. आप सब लोगों को एक बार फिर जय हिंद और जय महाराष्ट्र.